The Shopify 3-month trial is one of the best ways to start an online store right now. But most people don't understand how it actually works. They think there's a coupon code or some secret link they need to find. That's not how Shopify does it. Let me show you exactly how this works. Shopify doesn't use traditional promo codes for their trial offers. Instead, the discount activates automatically through a specific sign-up link. The moment you click through that link, the trial is applied to your account. No code to enter. No extra steps. Just click, and it's active. Right now, the offer is 3 months for $1 per month. That's $3 total instead of the regular $87 for 3 months. Here's why this matters more than just saving money. When you're building your first store, you're going to make mistakes. You'll pick themes you don't like. You'll test products that don't sell. You'll change your strategy multiple times. That's completely normal. But if you're paying $29 a month from day one, every mistake feels expensive. You start rushing decisions. You launch before you're ready. You skip important testing. The 3-month trial removes that pressure. You can take time to actually learn the platform, test different approaches, make changes without panicking about the monthly bill. So here's how to activate it. First, you need to use the promotional sign-up link. I've put that link in the description below. When you click it, you'll go directly to Shopify's sign-up page. The trial is already attached to that link. You'll answer a few quick questions. What kind of products you're planning to sell, what you want to name your store, basic stuff that takes maybe 2 minutes. Then you're inside your dashboard with full access to everything. All the themes, all the apps, all the features, and the $1 per month pricing is already locked in for 3 months. Now here's what people get wrong. They try to find additional coupon codes to stack discounts. That doesn't work. The promotional link already gives you the best available offer. Random codes you find online are usually expired or for different regions. You're just wasting time. Another mistake people make is bookmarking the link to use later. These promotional links have expiration dates. Shopify doesn't advertise when they end. The link works today, it might be dead tomorrow. If you wait, you risk losing access to the promotion entirely. So what happens during the 3 months? Month 1, you're learning the platform, setting up your store design, choosing your theme, adding your first products, figuring out how everything works. Month 2, you're optimizing, writing better product descriptions, setting up payment processing, testing your first marketing campaigns, starting to understand what works and what doesn't. Month 3, you're launching and iterating, making your first sales, adjusting based on customer feedback, building momentum. By the end of 3 months, you know if this business model works for you. You either have a functioning store making sales, or you have clarity that it's not for you. Either way, you spent $3 instead of $87 to figure it out. After the 3 months, Shopify's regular pricing kicks in. That's $29 per month for the basic plan. But by then you should know if your store is viable, and ideally you're making enough sales to cover that cost. Now let me show you what happens after you sign up. You'll land on your Shopify dashboard. On the left side, you've got your main navigation. Orders, products, customers, analytics, all of that. Click on Online Store to start building. You'll choose a theme first. Shopify has free themes and paid themes. For beginners, the free themes work perfectly fine. Pick one that matches your style. Then you can customize it. Change colors, fonts, layouts. Add your logo. Set up your homepage. Next, you add products. Click Products in the left menu. Then Add Product. You'll enter your product title, description, price. Upload product images. Set inventory if you're tracking stock. Add any variants like sizes or colors. The product editor is pretty straightforward. Everything is clearly labeled. After you've got some products added, you need to set up payments. Go to Settings, then Payments. Shopify Payments is their built-in option, and it's the easiest to set up. Or you can connect PayPal, Stripe, other payment processors. You'll need to enter your bank info so Shopify knows where to send your money. Then set up your shipping if you're selling physical products, or if you're selling digital products, you'll want to install an app for that. Shopify App Store has apps for pretty much everything. Digital downloads, email marketing, customer reviews, all of it. Most apps have free plans or free trials, so you can test them out. Once your store is set up, you'll want to test it before going live. Shopify lets you place test orders to see how the checkout process works. Make sure everything flows smoothly. Check how it looks on mobile. Test your email confirmations. When everything looks good, you can remove the password protection. Your store is live. Now you can start driving traffic. Social media, paid ads, SEO, whatever fits your strategy. The key thing to remember is the 3-month trial gives you time to figure all this out. You're not racing against the clock. You can take your time to build it right. To use the promotional link, go to the description below. Click it now while the offer is still active. These promotions don't last forever, and Shopify doesn't announce when they end. If you're serious about starting a store, lock in the trial pricing today. 3 months for $3 total. That's the lowest barrier to entry you're going to find.